Just slap her.
Stop.
Just slap her.
Stop it.
These gloves, bro.
Right?
Can you do that?
I make fun of you don't want to see.
That's why Andy pitches behind the screen.
That's right. I pitch behind the screen for a reason. Not even sure why I have it.
Right here. Whether it's up and down. Noah, come on, Noah. Let's go. There it is. No? There it is. Right there. Hey, don't worry. I would have caught it anyway. Way to get behind the screen. Way to do your job. Hey, don't pretend like the glove is up.
That's how I roll.
Do it again. Do it again. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Do it again. Hey, I'll pay you $5 if you do it again. Close enough. I'll give you $250. Where you at? Great swing. Woo! Hey.
Should last one.
He's just back because you're rocking him, that's all.
I like sun.
Hey, I've never been in a baseball before. I go. That's not a really good excuse.
I was saying, it's just like filling a baseball ticket.
I play first, I barely field. Unless it does that. JT.
For those of you who do life points, you don't have thick skin.
Right.
Do not come anywhere around me.
Fat shaming us? Fat shaming us. Yeah, I was gonna say, you gotta be fat enough to deal with Damien. And boy, cause that's like the 14th ball he's hitting to the net.
Who's the next one? Are you next?
Okay. Yeah, that's ball. Good point. Hey, good point. Great swing.
All right, let's get about 3 more good ones here.
Nice hit. Yeah, do it again.
Just telling you, I said I'm scouting.
Hey, listen, bro.
Guess who gets to make roster?
The two people that get to make rosters are like, hey.
JT's going to be on the phone. All right, here's the first. Here's the first round. Who you got?
Yes, I'm tired. I'm goofing around.
Are you sure you're tired, Andy?
I've been in the ball field since 10 o'clock this morning.
He's happy as a pig in you know what.
That is true, because it's been weeks since I've been able to spend time in the ball field.
Well, it seems like you're not be here till 10 p.m.
Uh-oh, mama. Uh-oh.
She snapped you off!
Sit down, Junior!
Ow!
Sit your butt Damn!
Oh, we're gonna go back to that game. Okay.
I was gonna laugh if he blew you up again. Mama gonna snap you up again. Oh no. Next time.
Great swing. Better put a glove on that shoe. Thought you were a soccer player now?
I was.
Them shins should not hurt.
Oh, it doesn't. It's just.
It doesn't. I'm just out here dancing like it doesn't hurt.
That's how you know Andy likes you.
That is a true statement, JC.
I know.
Yeah, I mean.
Notice I've hardly said anything to Damien tonight. Turn it up a notch. Excellent.
There we go.
Give me another one like that.